Huevos Rancheros is one of my go-to breakfasts when I want something simple but packed with flavor. It's saucy, a little spicy, and it comes together fast. Stay tuned, this one's a classic. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making Huevos Rancheros, a dish that dates back hundreds of years, rooted in the ranches and farmlands of rural Mexico. It was a simple, hearty breakfast made with ingredients people had on hand: eggs, tomatoes, chiles. It meant fuel for a long day of hard work. Huevos Rancheros is now a dish served across the US and Mexico. You'll see different versions topped with crispy bacon, potatoes, beans, cheese, you name it. At its heart, it's still a rustic, comforting dish built around a homemade salsa and perfectly cooked eggs. Now that you know a little bit of history, let's get started. This recipe serves 4 to 6 people. Here's what we're using today. 1½ tablespoons of oil, half of a white onion cut into small pieces, 2 jalapeños diced, devein if you don't want any heat, 2 garlic cloves minced, 6 Roma tomatoes cut into quarters, 1/3 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 6 eggs, and a handful of chopped cilantro. You start by heating a pan over medium heat and add your oil. Once our oil is hot, we first cook our onion, and our jalapeños. We're going to stir them occasionally so they don't stick to the bottom of the pan. And we're going to cook them for 3 to 4 minutes until they're soft. We want the veggies to be soft because in the end, we're going to use our spatula to mash them and make a salsa all in the same pan. Our veggies are soft now, so we're going to add our garlic, but only cook it for about a minute or two. If you cook it for too long, it tastes a little bitter. So make sure you don't overcook it. Now we add our tomato, our salt, our pepper, oregano, and water. Now we're going to cover our tomatoes and we let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Let's check if our tomatoes are soft enough so we can mash them. Definitely. We're going to mash them now and make something like a sauce so that when we crack our eggs, we cook them in this sauce. Okay, now that we've mashed everything, we're going to crack and add our eggs. Okay. You want to try to keep the yolk together just so it can look pretty. Now we're going to lower the heat to low and cover it. We're going to let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes if you want your yolk a little bit runny, or if you want it a little more sturdy, you can cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. It's up to you. Let's check if our eggs are done. They look done. So now we're going to sprinkle our cilantro all over our eggs. We're going to cover it one more time, turn off our heat, and let it sit for another 3 to 4 minutes. And here they are, Huevos Rancheros. You can serve them all by themselves, or you can serve them with corn tortillas, flour tortillas, with cheese on top. It's up to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want more Tex-Mex at home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. And I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego!